Good morning, children. Welcome you all in this session. So today we are going to start the new chapter and the lesson name is Lesson 4, The Golden Balloon. It is written by Anastasia Gaetanidou. Okay, she is the writer of this lesson. So before I'll start this lesson, let me tell you about the author. So she was born in Korinos, Greece. She lives in Kavala, Greece with her family and works as a principal in a primary school. She is continually searching for ways that would lead to an education of equal opportunities for all the children. So children, before I'll start this chapter, let me tell you about the characters. What are the main characters in this lesson? There are children, what are the main characters of this chapter is? The main characters are, first one is 10 round balloons. 10 round balloons. Second one, the long golden balloon. And the third one is the clown. See children, this is very interesting chapter because all the children like balloons. So colorful balloons. So in this lesson we are going to study about the balloons. The 10 round balloons and the long golden balloon. The long golden balloon is there. Okay. And the clown. So let me explain this story. So here I am going to show the book. See children, that is lesson 4, the golden balloon. Here it is written time to start. You can see the pictures. There are 3 girls. Look at this picture. What do you think is happening here? Do you think the 2 girls who are laughing are doing the right thing with this girl? No, it is not a good thing. You know why? Okay, now here I am going to narrate the story of the proud oak tree. So children, here is the story of the proud oak tree. I am going to narrate this story. After that we will study the golden balloon. Okay, so what happened? There was once a big strong oak tree that grew close to the river. There was some reeds that grew on the river bank. Each time the wind blew and the reeds would bend. You know what is reeds? That is also another plant. Okay, thin plant. Okay, that is reeds. So each time the wind blew, the reeds would bend. The oak was proud that he was strong and looked down on the reeds. He pitied them that they were so weak that they had to bend in the wind. They were not even strong enough to bear the weight of a little birds, while the oak tree was home to so many birds. So one night, what happened? There raged a violent storm. The reeds bent in the direction of a strong wind and were not damaged. And you know what happened? The oak stood tall and was blown this way and that by the strong wind and rain. Finally, the oak could take it no more and was uprooted, means the oak tree was destroyed. He was very, the oak tree was very proud, okay, because he was strong, okay. So here, when the storm passed, the reeds stood up straight again, while the oak tree lay flat on the ground. So children, the golden balloon. So children, the golden balloon is a similar story about a long golden balloon that was looked down on by the round balloons. At the end of the story, they heard that oak fell, but the reeds remain standing. Okay, so we should not proud and we should not tease others. Okay, so here I am going to explain the story. So here, now read the story about some balloons and the lesson they learned. Now I am going to read the book, children. All of you, look at here. There were once 10 beautiful, shiny, colorful balloons. You all like colorful balloons, no? So, there were 10 beautiful, shiny, colorful balloons, all of the same round shape. They were inflated. You know what is inflated? Inflated means filled with air or gas and tied up with cords fastened to a base. Fastened means tied up safely. It was tied safely. They were very beautiful and they even admired themselves in the mirror of the warehouse. You know what is warehouse? A large building where goods may be stored before their distribution for the sale. Means that was storage room. Okay, that is warehouse. So there were 10 shiny balloons were there and they are in same round shape. They were inflated and tied up with cords fastened to the base. So what happened? And always they are looking in the mirror. Okay. So here, next para. One of the balloons looked down and saw something. And you know what the balloon saw? Hey, who are you? Shouted the balloon. Okay. So what the balloon replied? I am a balloon too. It said from where it was lying on the floor. One balloon was lying on the floor. Okay. So when all these balloons are asking that who are you? Okay. Then this balloon replied, which was lying on the floor, that I am a balloon too. It was really different from the rest of them. Why it is different from the rest of them? Because it is long in shape and it was very thin. Okay, which was lying on the floor. That balloon was very long in shape and very thin, with a color unlike the others. That was almost gold. Means the balloon which was what was lying on the floor, the color was golden. It was deflated. What is deflated, children? Means empty. No air, no gas. Okay, it was deflated and abandoned on the floor. The abandoned means left behind. So, see the next line. Ha ha, listen guys, it's a balloon, said one of the tied balloons, and the rest of them burst into laughter. They all were teasing to the balloon which was lying on the floor, means the golden balloon, and they are telling to each other. Okay, and they are laughing to that golden balloon. Moving on next page. The balloon became very sad. It looked at the balloons hanging directly above it and felt unhappy. Why had it been created so different from the others? Okay, suddenly the door opened and the clown entered the warehouse once again. Here we go. Next para. He said loudly as if he was talking to the balloons. He took the tied balloons in one hand and with the other he took the long one from the floor. In one hand he was carrying the 10 shiny balloons, and in another hand he took the long one from the floor. So what you have understood? See children, there was once house, there was birthday party was going there. Okay, so there were 10 balloons. There were, once again I am going to tell you, in the warehouse at the birthday party there were 10 beautiful round balloons tied to a base in a warehouse, admiring themselves in the mirror. Okay, because they were looking very beautiful, while one deflated long golden balloon lay on the floor of the warehouse, and these all tied balloons, they are laughing to the golden balloon. The round inflated balloons asked the deflated golden balloon what it was, and when it replied that it was a balloon, they teased it and laughed at it. Okay, so the golden balloon was very sad. Why? Because these all tied balloons were laughing at the golden balloon. Okay, so after that what happened? A clown entered the warehouse. Okay, clown, you know, Joker. Okay, so a clown entered the warehouse and took all the round balloons. And the golden balloon to the place where a birthday party was on. So he told the children at the party that he would make squads and parade hat balloons for them. So here children, what are the main characters in the chapter? 10 round balloon, the long golden balloon, and the clown. In the warehouse, you know what is warehouse? I told you. What is warehouse? Means storage room. There was party going on and there were 10 beautiful shiny balloons were there. Okay, and all are the same round shape, same size. They were very beautiful. They always admire in the mirror. They are looking themselves in the mirror that they are very beautiful. Okay, so once what happened? One of the balloon looked down and saw something. You know what? What the balloon saw? And telling to everyone that, hey, and asking to the balloon which was lying on the floor, asking that, hey, who are you? Shouted the balloon. Okay, and which the balloon which was lying on the floor, that balloon replied that I am also a balloon. Okay, it is said from where it was lying on the floor. So when they heard that that balloon which was lying on the floor, that is also a balloon. So after seeing that, what they are saying? Okay, it was means the balloon which was lying on the floor, that was in different shape. The size was different, the color was different, and it was very thin. Okay, and that balloon was golden color balloon. It was deflated. You know what is deflated? No air, no gas. Okay, it was long in shape and very thin. So they all were tied balloons who were laughing to the golden balloon. Okay, and telling that, listen guys, that is also a balloon, said one of the tied balloon, and rest of them were laughing to the balloon which was lying on the floor. And the balloon became very sad. You know which balloon? The golden balloon became very sad because all the tied balloons were laughing at the golden balloon. It looked at the balloons hanging directly, and it felt unhappy. why had it been created so different from the others. Okay, then the golden balloon was saying that I am different from other balloon, I am not shiny, I am not beautiful, that's why they all were laughing at me. So suddenly what happened? The door opened and the clown entered the warehouse once again. Okay, clown Joker. So here we go. The clown is saying that yes, we have to go. He said loudly as he was talking to the balloons. So he took the tied balloons in one hand and in another hand he took the golden balloon which was lying on the floor. So in this class, I will explain only half of the story, and half of the story we will I'll explain you in the next class. Okay, children? So what I explain you today, just keep it in your mind, and tomorrow in the next class I will ask you the what I explain, and rest of the story we will complete in the next session. Okay? So thank you for listening to me. That's all for today. Have a nice day.